Let us see how you can get onboarded with a virtual number. Click on Start Verification. Now you select any of the numbers. You can also click on Refresh Number to load more numbers. Select anyone and click on Proceed for KYC. Select Aadhaar. Select a verification method of OTP. Enter your Aadhaar number. An OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Kindly enter the OTP. Click on Verify. Now click on Destination Setup. So this will basically become your landing number for the virtual number. So anyone who is calling on this number, the calls will get automatically forwarded to your landing number.